This question is regarding the last of the rulings that can be associated with a thing or an incident or an action. And so this is regarding the terminology al-mubah. What is al-mubah? Al-mubah is anything that is permissible. And so these are, in essence, permissibility is the things that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the option of to do or not to do, and left that with his slaves. And so you have the option to either carry out something or to refrain from something, and that is your choice. And so what is the implication of something that is mubah? The implication of it is that there is no reward attached to it. And secondly, there is no punishment attached to it as well. And they include things like buying and selling, trade and so on, that you buy what you want and you sell what you want. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَأَحَلَّ اللَّهُ الْبَيْعَ, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala permitted transactions. And so anything that is considered from this type, there is no reward to it, there's no punishment to it, but it's at your free will to do or not to do this particular thing. And lastly, you have a number of words that when you ask a scholar regarding this particular thing, they might use that are similar to this topic of, or this thing of mubah, the permissibility. And they include things like al-halal, that this is halal, or jaiz, that these are all terminologies that are used to express this permissibility along with the implications that we just mentioned, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best.